afternoon. My name is Sherry Ratay, and I'm going to demonstrate how to mix L'Oreal Professionnel's INOA. With INOA, we have a three-component system. First, we have our colorants. Colorants come in a box, and there are 6 tubes in one box. Then we have our oxidant. INOA comes with a 20 volume or a 30 volume oxidant. And then our third component is the oleo gel. And the oleo gel with INOA is the delivery system. So how we start with, we have to mix with our Presi-doser. And with our Presi-doser, we have a 1 dose or a half a dose. So we're going to do a half dose application. And a half dose application consists of 1 tube of your colorant choice, which is an 8-gram tube. Then you choose to use 30 grams of your desired volume of developer, either 20 or 30. And then you use 20 grams of your oleo gel. And I'm going to demonstrate on how to use this. But today we're going to do a full dose, which consists of 2 tubes of your INOA colorant, 60 grams of your choice of developer, 20 or 30, and 40 grams of your oleo gel. So it's very simple to use, your Presi-doser. So again, it's your first dose, 1 dose. You're going to pull it right on up to the oleo gel line. And you see, you just want to take the shadowing of your Presi-doser, lay it on a flat level, and we're going to start with our oleo gel first. With INOA, it's extremely precise mixing. So now we have our oleo gel in. You do not want to pour it out. What you want to do is take your Presi-doser and pull it up. You want to take it right to the next line where it is your oxidant. And depending on your choice of oxidant, it's either 20 or 30. So now you want to fill it up to the line as well. Again, with INOA, it's very precise mixing. Now at this point, you want to just take your Presi-doser, put it in your bowl, and squeeze it out. No colorant goes into your Presi-doser. Now what you want to do is go ahead and take your 2 tubes of INOA colorant, because remember it's a full dose. So you want to take the end of the tip, poke it, and use your lovely key to squeeze all the colorant out. Remember, 1 tube is 8 grams of colorant. So you squeeze it. The majority of people would want to leave it like it is, but you can see there's colorant left in the bottom of this tube. So you want to take that extra time and squeeze all this extra colorant out. So you can see all the extra we got out of there. So that's our first tube. We're going to do the same thing to our second tube. Again, squeezing with our key. Slightly roll it up and watch all the extra colorant that's coming out of there. If you do not squeeze all that colorant out there, you're going to achieve hollow color, lack of coverage of your white, or not vibrant, intense reds or rich brunettes. It's vital that you mix all 8 grams of each tube, which consists of 16 grams of colorants. Now what you want to do is take a brush or a spatula of your choice, and you want to mix all 3 components together. You do not want to choose to use a brush to mix them, because remember, it's vital with the grams of colorants that you're using with INOA. If any of those colorant dyes sit in the bristles of this brush, you're going to get uneven application during your application. So first mix, make sure all 3 components are well mixed, and then from that point, then you remove your brush and use your brush. And you can see I'm still mixing. The lovely thing with INOA as well, there's no ammonia. So this is fantastic, not to have anything burning your face, irritating your nose, your esophagus. So now just basically you're just removing your brush, and then you go ahead with your application with your brush. So again, INOA is a 3-component system. You have your colorants, you have your oxidant, and you have your oleo gel. With traditional permanent hair color, you have a 2-component system. It's your colorants and your developers. So yes, with INOA, it's one extra step to do, but your coverage and your vibrancy and The ability to use a permanent hair color with no ammonia is just fantastic. So if you have any questions about INOA or any other color line, please visit me at salonratay.com, Ask the Expert page.